Welcome to Vibling. This is our website. Here on the top we have got two buttons of sign up and login. To make a new account, click on sign up and enter your details. Here I have given the details and now click on sign up. You can see that we have got the message of record saved successfully. But now if I make another account with same email ID, I'll get an error. Here I have written the same email ID as before, and now if I click on sign up, I'll get this message. Now let's move to login page. Here I'll enter the email and the password. This is our front page. Here you'll get all the posts. You can like and dislike the post as well. And here's the comment box. You can add a comment anonymously and delete it as well. But you cannot use any inappropriate comment. You'll get this message. Now let's move to our next page, following, and this is our followers page. These are my followers and here I can follow them as well and unfollow them as well. And now if I follow this user and move back to following page, you can see I've got the post created by her. Next is our saved page. Here I'll get the posts that I've saved, and next is the create post page. You can create a post here and can choose an image as well as a video. I'll choose the video and click on create post. Now going back to home page, I'll get the post. Here's the video as well. Now if I click on save, you can see that I've got the message of post saved, and in the saved page I've got the post. Here's my profile and the post that I've created, and from here you can edit the profile and can change your name. And now click on save changes, and here you can see that the name has been changed but the username is still the same. And from here I can log out, and if I want I can log in again. So this was all about our website. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much.